In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this LED light. Instead of using normal tube lights, which are very bright in only one direction and causes shadows, you can make this type of an LED which spreads the light and disperses it so that there are no shadows which are formed. I used a light diffuser panel to make the frame of the LED, and this is the dimensions of it. After cutting it into size, I used aluminium foil as it is very reflective and stuck it on the bottom of the LED light so that most of the light is reflected. Then I used 10 strips of LEDs, each of 70 cm in length, and stuck it to the aluminium foil. I used warm white LED strips because of these advantages. This is the circuit diagram. Since there are 10 LED strips, each of 12 volts, I have connected 5 of them in one parallel string and another 5 in another parallel string. And both of these strings are connected in series for a total of 24 volts. Since I'm using a 24 volt power supply, this is the proper schematic. I connected all of them according to the circuit diagram by soldering each of them to a non-insulated copper wire. I have used this power supply which can output a maximum of 2.5 amps at 24 volts. To vary the brightness of the LEDs, I have added this PWM motor controller which varies the voltage, which in turn changes the brightness. I have also added a heat sink because I noticed that at full power the MOSFETs were getting very hot, so I added another heat sink with thermal paste. I have also stuck some aluminium foil on the sides so that the light is reflected inwards. I designed and 3D printed these pieces which holds on to the sides of the frame. It also has a neodymium magnet which helps to hold on to the top of the LED light. The top part also has neodymium magnets which aligns to the magnets which are on the frame. To change the brightness, I will use this potentiometer. This is the lowest brightness. And this is the highest. Would you like to have this type of a tube light? Or this light which lights up your whole workspace?